What's going on, everybody? John here with Floto Care, our Massachusetts-based mobile car detailing, ceramic coating and paint correction business. In this video, we are taking care of one of our maintenance clients, cleaning the wheels, washing the paint and cleaning the interior to make sure to keep this car clean because this car has been ceramic coated. So we're making sure to get the full lifetime of this coating with a basic exterior and interior cleaning. Our business are based in Massachusetts, but we also serve some areas in New Hampshire and Rhode Island, offering you interior and exterior detailing as well as ceramic coating and paint correction. To book with us, we have an easy website, flotocare.com, that you can book online, check our prices and packages, as well as availability to choose what works best for you. Or you can call us at 774-498-0522 so we can help you decide what's best for you. Enjoy the rest of this video. We are looking forward to seeing you.